Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told on the 18th of April in 1775, Paul Revere set off on his midnight ride from Charlestown to Lexington. We're told if he had ridden to Lexington without stopping, he would have traveled 11 miles in 26 minutes. In such a ride, what would have been the average speed of his horse to the nearest tenth of a mile per hour? So, if we're looking for his speed, we take the distance he traveled and we divide it by the time, right? Traveling 1 mile per hour is 1 mile divided by an hour. So in this case, we're told he rode 11 miles in 26 minutes. So if we're looking his speed in miles per minute, it's 11 over 26. We're not looking for that though, we're looking for miles per hour. So we have to use a conversion rate where 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. When we multiply these two together, the minutes cancel. What we're left with is 11 times 60 over 26 miles per hour. And if you calculate this out, plug this into your calculator, you get this is roughly 25.38 miles per hour. We're asked, what is this to the nearest tenth of a mile? So round up, 25.4 is going to be your final answer. Would have been the average speed of his horse in miles per hour if he had not stopped on his midnight ride. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.